South Africa is on a knife edge. And I do think that this government of national unity, let's hope, has learnt a lesson that they need each other and they better work together. If the country doesn't have economic growth, there is no reason for a party like the Democratic Alliance, like Freedom Front Plus, to be in this government of national unity. Quite simply, if they're achieving nothing by being there, then what is the point? Rather go and be in the opposition benches. And I think that's the way that they will treat it. For the ANC, they are in their last moments of power. Whichever way this goes, I'm telling you that their vote's going to diminish at the next election, and this is their last hope of staying relevant. So get ready for more of these crazy antics. South Africa is in a very tense situation, but at least on this particular budget issue, I got a feeling that the normal old South African way of doing a deal which doesn't make either of the parties happy is going to happen. Much like the birth of the new South Africa, so everybody's slightly unhappy. It's going to be the way that this thing gets settled, and the sun will shine the next day.